Everything is okay.
Okay, so how are you? How are you doing today?
Okay, I am doing well actually, and because here I would say the weather is so freezing, you can say, but right now it's okay. But this morning it was foggy, and now I am 100%. I'm doing well right
Okay.
now, and yeah, actually
Okay.
this, that's
So
all.
you are talking about the weather. So weather is here little chilly. So
Yeah.
not that much cold, but yes, I would say. So in order to warm myself, so you need to stay in sunlight, no? But I think that you are staying in the field
Yes,
or
because
cultivated area.
yes, I am
Ah,
here because of not having proper connection. Yeah,
hmm.
in my home, so that is why I have come here. Yeah, to connect with
Okay.
someone.
Okay, so tell me something about yourself, that how long have you been practicing in English and how it's come your mind that I need to practice English.
Okay, why not?
Mm.
I'm actually here to practice English, so why not? Okay, so my name is Nakul Kumar, and I am from a beautiful district called Kishanganj in the state of Bihar. So, do you know Bihar?
Okay. Yes, I know.
Yes, I am from Bihar, and if I talk about my education, my highest education is 12, and
Mm.
after completing my 12th, I stopped studying. Yeah, schooling studies, and right now, actually I belong to a farmer family, so that is why currently I work with my father on farming. Yes,
Mm.
and if I talk about my English journey, so here I would say I have been learning English since my childhood. Yeah, since from my childhood, and in between I was not consistent. Means it has in my English journey there are lots of ups and downs I get to see. But instead of this question, if you ask me, Nakul, so when did you start learning seriously? So I would say after 3 or 3 months back, I was nothing. But after 3 or 4 months later, as you can see right now, I am about to speak English. Yeah, means 3 or 4 months later, yeah, back I was nothing. I am about to speak English. Yes, right now. Oh, just quite
Yeah.
a lot about me, I think. Yes.
Okay, so I got a huge compliment from your side, and now
Okay.
I'm really curious that you have already quit everything related to study after completed 12th class, right?
Yes. Yes.
And you are saying that now you are working with your father. When you will get any leisure time, that time you involve yourself with work with your father, right? in in
Yes.
in, in farmer. Okay, so do you have any plan, because you now you are practicing in English maybe, and if I will compare, so your English is not really bad. So in future, do you have any plan? What's your game plan?
Okay, yes. So actually, I want to become a teacher. So, and as I told you right now that I have stopped studying, but so to in order to fulfill my dream of speaking English, I mean, in order to become a teacher, so I want to become a teacher on YouTube. Yes. So in
Okay.
this way, I want to fulfill my dream of becoming a
Mm.
teacher.
Okay, so it's a nice thing, and you would like to yourself to see yourself that you want to become a teacher, English trainer on social media, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So, in order to improve yourself, what technique do you apply to enhance your communication skills? And maybe sometime you will get any uncommon people, and maybe you have to speak with them. They're really not known for you. So, how can deal with those person if they will ask you any type of questions?
Okay. So first of all, here I would say the place here where I live at, here is no any person so that we can so that I can practice with whom. Yeah,
Hmm.
this is the biggest problem you can say. And next, if I talk about my how which kind of activity I follow, so I would say nothing, just a little bit I practice. I mean, in the morning I start my day from the fresh start. Fresh start in the sense I watch English content. Means
Hmm.
whatever my minds tell me to watch, I watch. Or while watching, after watching, I try to read its caption of
Hmm.
entire video. Yeah,
Okay.
its caption,
Okay.
and then and then if I think that if I got any words or sentences, if I'm not sure about it, then and then I go to Google to find out its meaning. So that's how I means I do things in the morning, and then in the entire day, just like if I and actually I have to do a lot of work being a farmer son. So after being I mean despite being a busy schedule, I make time, as you can see right now. Right now I am connecting with you, means I would say I have completed my work on farm, and then I connected with you. So
Hmm.
despite despite being a busy schedule, I am with you. Yeah. And in the evening, I practice like whatever I am talking in this conversation. I try to recall in the evening, means with a notebook. Whatever I
Hmm.
am talking, whatever I am talking, I try to fix it. If I am not sure and if I uncomfortable talking about any question, whatever you are asking me, if I uncomfortable talking about it, then in the evening I try to fix it, so that if somebody asks me the same question again, so that I can respond in a better way. So that's how I practice. Yes.
Okay,
I hope
okay.
you
So
got
your tactic.
yeah.
Yeah,
I hope
I
you
got,
got
I
it. Yeah.
really, I got it, and I'm totally appreciate your hard work.
Oh,
And you are telling that you are working with the farmer background. You are from
yeah.
a farmer background family. So if you don't have anyone to practice in your local area, in your community,
Yeah.
then it will be
Yes.
it will be very hard to enhance your communication skills. No,
Yes.
only
Yes.
social
Definitely.
media, you will not get that much time, you will not get much that much videos where you can improve, no. So yeah, practice is make perfect in everyone, so you are working
Yes.
really hard. And if you will try, maybe within 4 or 5 months later, you will see yourself as a good speaker, I would say.
Yes.
So
Yes.
uh, so there are lots of platform, no. So if you join with the platform, maybe they will you can talk with the mentor, or you can talk with the expert trainer. So yeah, it is expensive. So
Yeah. Yes.
did you
Yes. Yes.
thought any time that I have to join with this platform like English Harry, Clapingo, or
Yes. I
I'm
thought.
pretty
Yes. I have thought.
I'm yeah, yeah. So I'm pretty sure that
Yes.
you have been watching like these videos is a long time now. So
Yes.
if you will
Yes.
join with those platform, maybe it will be great improve from yourself. So what do you think
Okay.
about it?
Yeah. I have thought about it, but the problem is because of not having money, so that is why I
Ah,
ignored. Yeah. I
hmm,
ignore
hmm.
purchase any kind of means I ignore that kind of. If I have to give money, I ignore, because because of lack of money, you can say. So that
Okay,
is why I'm
so
here
this
right
is
now.
okay. So this is the one of the most important platform where you can get
Yes.
multiple people, and
Yes. Right.
you can convey your thought diversely and conversely. But
Yes.
here is one problem, no. If you will talk any uh, wrong sentence, if you will use any wrong tenses like that, so no one
Okay.
you will get to correct yourself, no. So that is the
Yes.
biggest problem, no.
No, here I would say one thing. Yeah, if you ask this question, so I would say, if I mean, if I talk about me, how I correct those kind of, like, whatever you said right now,
Hmm.
I fix it like whatever I am talking right now, and while editing, I like knuckle alert. Yeah, so that's how I improve. Means if I watch this video
Hmm.
means twice, then I watch again while editing. So that's when I got it. It is correct. It
Okay,
is
okay.
incorrect, and if I have if I got chance to tell again, then I have to correct it. So that's how
Hmm. Okay,
I fix it.
so your trajectory is like that. This
Okay.
session, I'm also talking to you. This is a great
Yeah.
improvement, and you are daily basis you are practicing, and daily basis you are watching your videos, and you can rectify your mistakes now. And
Yes.
if you will
Yes.
improve yourself, so then you will never mistakes like that. The same mistakes in next conversation, right? So
Yes.
in
Yes.
this, in this time you have to watch your own videos 3 or 4 times, then you can only
Yes,
rectify
yes,
your mistakes and you
yes,
can improve
yes,
yourself. Yeah.
yeah. That's yeah. This thing I wanted to say, but I missed. Yes, it is
Okay.
very important. Yes,
Okay,
while
now
upload,
it's your.
I mean to say while after uploading, I still watch. Yes,
Okay. Okay, so
I still watch whenever I get time. Yes,
so I hope you have a YouTube channel, right?
yeah. So that is why I use the word upload. Yeah.
Okay, so you
So
are going to upload this video.
yeah, maybe I think
Okay, no
let's.
problem. I don't have any issues, no, because I have my own channel, but I'm not consistent with my channel. Sometime I'm making videos because I have also busy schedule, so that's the reason I'm not that much consistent with my YouTube channel. So if you want to upload this video, I have no clue, no, so you can freely upload this video. So
Yeah. So
now it's your time. So if you want to ask me any type of questions, you can shoot out.
yes,
Feel free
yes,
to
yes,
ask
yes,
me any type of question. Mm.
yes. So first, I want to know something about yourself. Yeah, too, so that I get to know about you a little bit.
Okay, so my name is Jafar, which is reflecting on your screen,
Okay,
and I'm connecting with you from Kolkata, and
okay,
by profession I am a driver. So I have been driven since a decade, no. So it's been a long time I have been with this profession, and if I will talk about my education qualifications, so I have just completed 10 class standard, and after
okay,
that I quit everything related to my studies. So I am not involved with my studies since a long time, no. But I am practicing, and I have my own YouTube channel, which is based on spoken English conversation video. So
okay,
yes, it's all about me.
okay. So you said you have YouTube channel. So how much subscriber it has? Just curious to know, if you don't mind.
I'm not pretty sure, but 2,500 like that.
Oh my god!
2K. Yeah. Yeah.
But if I talk about me, very
So
little.
that doesn't matter because you have already
Yeah, yeah,
started your
yeah.
journey.
I am happy. I am happy. I
So
am happy.
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
saying,
because
and
it
I'm
took
happy.
yeah. So
Yeah,
if you want to improve yourself, and if you want to gain the subscriber, then you have to practice more and more, and you need to upload videos daily basis, no. But I am not uploading in daily basis with my channel, so that's the reason my
yeah.
channel is not focusing right
Even
now.
even I am just like you. I don't know why
Yeah.
I am not manage my consistency. Oh, yeah,
Hmm.
one thing, first of all, I would say because of internet connection is the very big problem. And next one is I have less MB. Yeah. Due to lack
Okay.
of MB, I couldn't upload.
uh, okay.
Yeah, I am not able to upload every day.
But your sounds is good now because now you are
Okay.
right now you are
Yes.
living in a secluded area, so
Yes.
it's a nice place, and I am not hearing any background noise from your side.
Okay.
Sometime if you are in your home, that time children and maybe
Yes. Yes.
passing
Yes.
car, it's break the tranquility, so that's the reason it's a very nice place where you are living right now. So
Yeah.
I really like most the village people because I am also from a village guy,
I love. Even I
yeah.
would say I love the place where I live at. I love it
Yeah.
so. Yeah. Yes. I
Yeah.
don't like metro city. I don't like. Yes. To be honest,
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
like metro city and I don't like congested. Yeah, congested place where so much people. I don't like that kind of place.
Yeah, yeah. Village people always they want to leave the secluded area, no? Congested area, this is not a good thing for each
Yes.
and everyone. Yeah, some city people they don't like to village culture, and maybe they don't want to live the life in village people, no? But yes, of course, we are living in a village, so I love my village and natural beauty. And sometime we can get the relaxation from our natural beauty, so if you really walk in field, in playground, so it's nice fit. Yeah.
Yes. Actually,
Okay,
by the way,
so I should wrap up this session because it is going too long. Already we have
okay.
spent 15 minutes, so next time we'll see again, and next
Okay.
time we'll have a
Yes.
great
Why not?
conversation. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yes. So much.
Take
Bye
care.
bye.